Hello guys, good day and welcome. In today's lesson, we're looking at how to construct or how to draw a frequency distribution table, which in short we call the frequency table. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to accurately construct a frequency table from a data given. Now, if you talk of data, data refers to information collected, unprocessed or raw information that we have gathered, we yet to process that information. So as we can see on the screen, we have a question here. It says, the following list shows the ages measured to the nearest year of students in a tuition class. So assuming these are ages of your peers in your class collected by the teacher. Now we are yet to construct a frequency table. We are yet to draw graphs, that is bar graphs, pie charts, histogram, and all those graphs with the data. It's just the information that we have collected. So that is called what? Data. So data is raw or unprocessed information. We've just collected the information, we've just gathered the information, and we are yet to process that. Got it? Great. Now to draw the frequency distribution table, as you may have learned in previous grades, the frequency table, it's drawn this way, which starts with here it says the ages, right? So the first column is going to be the ages. You indicate that. Then always your second column will be your tally. So we have our tally here. Then we have our frequency. So frequency, you write it in full that side. Now you go back to the data given to you. Look for the lowest number. The lowest number among, you can check 13, 14, 13, 12. So we have come across what? A 12, which means the lowest number is the 12. There's no 11 there. So we have our 12 here. All right. The next higher number or next number greater than 12 in the data, it's what? Is a 13. So we write 13. You don't just write, you check if we have 13s among the data. Okay, now we're done with 13s. Check if we have 14s. Yes, we have 14s in there. So we can write down our 14. Then finally, what? 15s are also there. So we write our 15 like that. So we have completed the first column. Now, where did I get the ages from? I read the instruction which says the following list shows the ages. So that's where I picked the title from. So you must read the instruction and select your title from the instruction. Okay, the tally and the frequency remains the same throughout. Later on, we shall look at the total, which we can also put in place. Now we go to drawing our tally. Now 12. Now you count the 12. This is where the clue or the trick comes in. When you are checking the number of 12s we have in this data or in this information, make sure that you go one way that such that if you're going horizontally, you are checking your numbers horizontally. If you are going vertically like this by column, make sure you go vertically. Do not check like 12 is here, then you see a 12 here, you come count it. You see 12 there, you go count it. You see another 12, you will mess up your work. You will double count, triple count, and even forget some. So move across that way or move this way. If you are moving this way, make sure you go there, you go that way, this way, throughout. If you're going horizontally, 1, you check. 2, you check. 3, until you're done. Got it? Great. So we're going to check for 12. We're going vertically, so there's 1 here, there's no other 12. 2, here there's no 12. 3 here, 4 there, checking here, there's no 12. We have 5 and we have 6, so there are 6 of 12. Now when you come to your tally, this is how we do it. We had 6 for 12, right? So we're going to draw our tally as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you get to the 5th tally, you use that to cross out the first 4 that you've done. Get it? Got it? Great. So this bundle we are seeing here represents what? A 5 in mathematics or in the frequency table construction. So as soon as you get to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't go to 5 like this. That will be incorrect. The fifth one to be drawn here, you use that to cross your first 4 so that we have a group of 5. Get it? Got it? Great. So it will be incorrect to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because you got 6 for 12. That will be incorrect. So your 6 for 12, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you give a space and you construct your 6 like this. So we have this for 5 and 1, which makes it 6. Get it? Got it? Great. Now, after you have drawn your tallies like this, how many numbers were there? There were 6 numbers. So you now represent the tally as now a real number, not as drawings. The tally is some form of like we are using pictogram or pictures to represent our data. However, after drawing your tally, you go back and you indicate the frequency. So this is 5 plus 1, 6. I need to write down my 6 here. Get it? Got it? Great. Let's go to 13. Let's check the number of 13s that we do have there. So as we did before, we're going across that way. So we have 13, 1, 2. We have 3. Going this way, we have 4, 5, 6. We have 7. We have 8. We have 9. We have 10, 11. We have 12, 13, and 14. So 14 of 13. Remember what I taught you just now? You're drawing 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, you cross it. Make sense? Good. So we don't have space there. Let's try squeeze it in. So we have 5 now. 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, we have 4 now. So the 10th one, 2, you cross it. Hope it makes sense. So we have 5 here and we have 5 there. We are short with how many? 4. So we can construct our 4 as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have, let me put the 4th here. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 4, which is 10 plus 4, 14. Get it? Got it? Great. So if there is space, it should fit into one box. So make sure that when you're drawing this, you leave bigger space for the tally so that you'll be able to draw all your numbers there. All right. After constructing your tally, what is the next? The next thing is to, okay, let me do this. All right. So that we can have enough space for our all right, trying to create space here. Okay, all right, let's try the 13 again. It was 14, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 14. You write it like that, 14. Now let's check the number of 14s we have. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 14s, we got 9. We draw our tally for that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't cross out because it didn't get to 10. So we write down our 9 in that way. All right. The last one, number 15. 15, we count. We have no 15. 1, no 15, no 15. 2, 3, no 15, no 15. So 15, we got only 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you write your frequency here 3. Got it? Great. So after drawing your frequency table like this, the next thing you should do is checking the frequency. We have 6 here, we have 14, we have 9, and we have 3. Will it be total with all the numbers we have here? Let's check. 6 plus 14 is 20, plus 9, 29. 29 plus 3 is 32. So in our data, our total frequency is 32. Now let's check the numbers given to us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then check going down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 8 times 4 will give us what? 32. So the numbers here are the same as what we got in our frequency, which makes our work correct and perfect. Got it? Great. Now I would like you to try out this. Read the instructions and get to know the title of the work. So you realize that the title, it's what the 3 students, they are candidates for the post of a counselor. So here where I wrote ages, yours is going to be candidates, because we are not checking the ages of students, we are checking the candidates. Under them, you write their names, count the number, and answer the questions beneath. If you have any challenge, you please leave a comment and I'll be glad to assist you. Have a great day further. Bye.